Hello YouTubers, welcome to my patio and decking build part 2. Hello YouTubers, do you want to see how I made this lovely decking with lights and these porcelain tiles at both ends? Then hold tight and watch the video. So let's just do a recap. I did the plan, as you can see there, and this shows me digging up the old horrible 400 by 400 patio slabs. I then dug down to 1,600 millimeters, and then I laid the slabs, the patio porcelain slabs. I slurried them, I used clips, I used a level, and this is the final result. Very nice. So welcome to part 2. In this video, you will see me do the opposite end of the garden, in between where the decking goes, and removing again these horrible 400 by 400 slabs, which have been down years and are covered with frost and dirt and debris, and they're just ugly. So that you'll see how the change happens here. There's my Makita radio. So I've dug out now. I've taken all the slabs away and I'm starting to dig down. I'm going down 160 as per the other installation further up. There's the cat. Now the problems you have when digging down, you never know what you're going to find, and what I found was these slabs have been laid on other slabs, and those slabs have been laid on other slabs, and then at the end of the house, by the end of the house, just there we can see the yellow, there was a path, a solid concrete path, which luckily was just at the height that I could get away with just going on top of that. But it was a right pain digging this out. This was actually harder, although it's a smaller area, than the other end of the garden. So this is the path I talked about on the right hand side, the concrete existing path, which was probably built when the house was built. But luckily it was at the right height to be in line with my MOT base, type 1 base. So it was perfect really. So that was quite lucky. So just finished digging down now, 160 centimetres, and I'm just starting to put the MOT Type 1 base down. So we're making good progress. I think this is day 2. So there's the MOT base down, and I've hand tampered it again. I didn't want to get a whacker plate. You can see me using the string line to make sure I've got the right height of MOT, allowing 35mm for the mortar bed and 20mm for the porcelain slab depth. Right, I didn't film the process of putting these porcelain slabs down because it's the same as the first video. You can see the cat enjoyed me keeping the clips out. These clips were invaluable really. They really did take away any slight bit of lippage you've got. But you can't substitute them for not having the right thickness of mortar bed. Otherwise it'll squelch through, or there'll be hollows underneath, so if something's dropped the slab could break. So yeah, we'll get grouting in a minute, but this is the second part of the patio nearly finished. Now sadly I lost the grouting part of my video, but I used Bal Micromax grout, 50 odd quid, very expensive. I used a 10mm grout gap, so I used a lot, which was good. And there's plenty of videos on doing grouting on porcelain slabs. Some use flow point, some use grout, so I suggest you have a look on YouTube for any related video. But we will now move on to the decking. That will be part 3. Hold tight.